Hey Jim, I spoke with Tiffany earlier, and my name is Scott Walker, and I wanted to show you this video and 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? A lot of the times, business owners are too busy taking care of customers and employees to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Other times, the hesitation that they have is to hire someone who can help, but they don't know who an expert is. So I like to make these attack plans and give them away for free. Some people take this plan and implement it themselves, but most people call me back so I can help out. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you want to implement this all yourself, that's fine too. No harm, no foul. So the first thing I do want to go over is content. The second is backlinks, and the last is citations. And then I'll show you the opportunity of taking these steps for your business. So here's your website. It looks great, very professional, clean. I use this right here to it's SEO Quakes. It's a free extension, and it shows how many words you have. For Google, you need to have 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage in order to be considered an authority in Google's eyes. And then you also need keywords. And a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. The other thing that I would like to show also is that if you put them as pictures, like if I hit save as, it just says file name is download.html. If you wanted to add a keyword in here for, plumbing Orem or plumbing Draper, because I know you're out of both of those places, that would also be a place where you can add keywords where Google would crawl your website, and then that would pop up saying, hey, this person is part of this industry. Right here it is I looked up plumbing Orem, and you are setting right here in the Google business profile. So I know that you're doing great here. But if you ever did want to expand into a new area, you would have to do the same thing that you're doing for here, but make sure that you have the keywords of your new location. And then Any Hour Services is probably your #1 competitor right here, and this is their website, which you've probably seen, but they also have almost 5,000 words. Now I know that they're in 2 different states, so that's a little bit different, and they probably have some words that you don't really need, but that is just an example of how to stay on top of the Google Map Pack. The other thing I want to talk about are backlinks, and a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlinked text. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally a giant popularity contest where the person with the people pointing at the most, or their website, wins. However, not all links are created equal, so it is worth noting to keep relevant to your industry, and local websites will work the best and give you the most popularity in Google's eyes. I use this tool Ahrefs to check on backlinks and a few other things. It is a paid tool, so if you ever needed to check on backlinks, you don't have to pay for this service, but I do because there's some automated tracking and some other features I use for my work. But it does show you a few pretty relevant things on here. The first one being your UR rating, which is the strength of your URL, which is pretty good. And then you also want to have a high popularity. This is the domain rating or the popularity contest here. And there is a golden ratio of having a 1-to-1 ratio between these two. So if you got more popular and we're closer to that 38 of your URL rating, that's where you really want to be. You do have, 1,400 backlinks with 200 referring domains, whereas your competitors, they're a lot closer to that 1-to-1 ratio. They do have 3,000 backlinks and 732 domains. So yes, they're more popular, but they probably have a lot more industry-related backlinks than you do, and they also have about 3 times as many referring domains. So that'll keep you in your map pack for as long as you want to be in the map pack. It looks like you've been in business for 40 years, which is awesome. But Any Hour it's starting to become a franchise, and more and more places are coming around, so they might start beating you because of the rest of those things. And the last thing I do want to talk about are citations. And, a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as your Google business profile. So name, address, phone number. And citations help you rank in this map pack, which are extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. And I'll show you what I mean about that in just a minute. But 70% of people will stop at when they look for a particular keyword in Google. They'll stop right here in the map pack. And being number 1, 2, or 3 it's important, but I want to just show you something else in just a minute. On why it's important to continue to add citations. But citations include directories like Yelp, Angie's List, and Better Business Bureau, and hundreds of others that you may have heard of. And social media accounts are great too. The idea is that you get that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. And the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. So, you got your content all set already. You might want to add some more keywords, especially if you do move out into other areas. And then your backlinks and citations, once those all come together, you can start to outgrow competitors or at least stay where you're at, considering you are number 2 in the map pack. But once again, I'm going to go back to Ahrefs, and I'm going to show you that you're getting about 466 people to your website each and every month. And out of that 466, about 10% probably are calling, and maybe half of that is going to be new clients each and every month. So you're looking at about 20 new customers a month, 22, 23. If you were to start taking a lot more of their traffic, because you have 1,100 keywords and they have 11,000 keywords. So not all keywords they're like backlinks. Not all of them are created equal. So, but if you're looking here, 15,000, that's 1,500 people are coming to their website each and every month. And out of that 1,500, 750 people are brand new customers each and every month just from their online presence alone. So if you were to increase your organic traffic, you'd probably be getting quite a bit of revenue from that, right? So there are also many more keywords that you could use to generate more and more traffic. I've said a few of them, especially if you're moving into a new area. And so I just wanted to leave you with this and tell you this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I could do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. All I ask you is some feedback and if you thought this was helpful. Again, my name is Scott Walker. Feel free to reach out as my door is always open. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope this helps. Have a great day.